Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt nervous while speaking English? Do you understand English, but struggle to speak fluently in real life? If your answer is yes, then this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to speak English fluently in daily life using simple habits, easy practice methods, and real-life examples. And the best part? You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a rich vocabulary. You just need confidence, consistency, and daily practice. So, stay with me until the end, because these tips can completely change your English speaking journey. Let's begin. Part 1. Stop being afraid of mistakes. The first thing you need to do is stop being afraid of making mistakes. Many people know English, but they don't speak because they think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is not perfect? Listen carefully. Mistakes are normal. Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes. When babies learn to speak, they make many mistakes, but they keep speaking every day. That is why they improve. English is not an exam. It is a communication tool. So don't focus on perfection. Focus on communication. Instead of saying, my English is bad, say, I am learning English every day. That small mindset change can give you more confidence. Part 2. Think in English. One of the biggest secrets to speaking fluently is this. Start thinking in English. Most learners first think in their native language, then translate into English. This takes time and creates hesitation. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. For example, when you wake up in the morning, think, I need to brush my teeth. I should drink some water. Today is going to be busy. While walking outside, think, the weather is nice today. That car is very fast. I need to buy some groceries. Simple thoughts. Simple English. You don't need difficult sentences. The more you think in English, the faster your speaking becomes. Part 3. Speak English. Every day. Fluency comes from speaking, not only from watching videos or reading books. Imagine someone who watches swimming videos every day, but never enters the water. Can they become a good swimmer? Of course not. The same is true for English. You must speak every day. Even if you practice only 10 minutes daily, it will help you a lot. Here are some easy ways to practice speaking. Speak in front of a mirror. Talk about your day. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. Then I had breakfast and went to work. Record your voice. Listen carefully and notice your pronunciation. Talk to yourself. Yes, it may feel funny at first, but it works. The goal is simple. Make English a part of your daily life. Part 4. Learn real-life sentences. Many students memorize difficult grammar rules, but cannot speak simple daily sentences. Instead of learning isolated words, learn complete sentences. For example, instead of only learning the word hungry, learn, I'm really hungry right now. Instead of only learning busy, learn, I'm busy at the moment. This method helps your brain remember natural English patterns. Here are some useful daily life sentences. How was your day? What are you doing now? I'll call you later. Can you help me with this? I'm running a little late. That sounds great. Practice these sentences again and again. Soon, they will become automatic. Part 5. Improve your listening skills. Good speaking starts with good listening. If you want to speak naturally, you must hear natural English every day. Listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, movies, and TV shows. But don't just listen passively. Try this method. Listen and repeat. Pause the video and copy the speaker's pronunciation, speed, and emotion. This technique is called shadowing. It is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency and pronunciation. Even 15 minutes of listening practice daily can make a huge difference. Part 6. Don't translate word by word. This is a very common problem. Many learners try to translate every single word in their minds. That makes speaking slow and stressful. Instead, learn English naturally, through phrases and situations. For example, instead of translating, "I am going to the market," practice using it directly in real situations. The more exposure you get, the more naturally English comes to your mind. Remember, fluent speakers do not translate every sentence. They respond naturally. And you can do that too with practice. Part 7. Build confidence. Slowly. Confidence does not come overnight. It grows step by step. Start with small conversations. Speak English with friends. Join online speaking groups. Comment in English on social media. Ask simple questions in English. Every small effort matters. And please, do not compare yourself with others. Some people learn faster. Some people learn slowly. Your journey is unique. Focus on becoming better than you were yesterday. That is real progress. Part 8. Create an English environment. If you really want fluency, surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Write your daily tasks in English. Read simple English stories. Use English captions while watching videos. The more English you see and hear, the more comfortable you become. English should not feel like a school subject. It should become part of your daily routine. Final motivation. Before ending this video, I want to tell you something important. Fluency is not magic. It is a process. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. They improved because they practiced consistently and never gave up. So, believe in yourself. Speak more. Practice daily. Make mistakes. Learn from them. And keep moving forward. One day, you will speak English confidently and naturally. Without fear, without hesitation. Outro. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos. And comment below, what is the biggest problem you face while speaking English? I would love to know your answer. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye everyone.